India, a land of diverse landscapes and cultures, often surprises us with its coincidences. This vast country, with its rich history and myriad traditions, is home to countless stories and fascinating facts that never cease to amaze. One such intriguing fact is the existence of two distinct districts named Lakhimpur, each with its own unique identity and charm. These two Lakhimpurs, though sharing the same name, are located in completely different parts of India. One is nestled in the northeastern state of Assam, known for its lush greenery and tea gardens, while the other is situated in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh, famous for its fertile plains and sugarcane fields. The Lakhimpur in Assam is a picturesque district, renowned for its sprawling tea gardens that produce some of the finest tea in the world. The region is also blessed with abundant natural beauty, including rivers, forests, and wildlife sanctuaries that are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. On the other hand, Lakhimpur Kheri in Uttar Pradesh is a land of vast agricultural fields, where sugarcane is the primary crop. This district is also known for its rich cultural heritage, with numerous historical sites and traditional festivals that reflect the vibrant culture of the region. While sharing a name, these two Lakhimpurs are a world apart, each boasting unique geographical features, cultural nuances, and natural wonders. The contrast between the two regions is striking, yet both contribute significantly to the diverse tapestry of India. This essay delves into the heart of these two Lakhimpurs, exploring their distinct identities. We will take a closer look at the natural beauty of Assam's Lakhimpur, with its lush tea gardens, serene rivers, and rich biodiversity. We will also explore the cultural landmarks of Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur Kheri, from its historical sites to its vibrant festivals. From the lush tea gardens and wildlife sanctuaries of Assam's Lakhimpur, where the air is filled with the aroma of fresh tea leaves and the sounds of nature, to the sprawling sugarcane fields and the majestic Dudhwa National Park of Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur Kheri, where the landscape is dotted with traditional villages and ancient temples, we will journey through their landscapes, unraveling the stories they hold. Each district has its own unique charm and character, shaped by its geography, history, and the people who call it home. As we traverse the scenic landscapes of Assam, with its rolling hills and verdant valleys, and the countryside of Uttar Pradesh, with its fertile plains and bustling markets, we will discover the rich tapestry of life that defines these regions. Join me as we explore the natural wonders and cultural tapestries of these two fascinating districts, each holding a unique place in the grand mosaic of India. Through this journey, we will gain a deeper understanding of the diversity and richness that make India such a captivating and enchanting land. Each Lakhimpur, with its distinct identity and charm, contributes to the vibrant and diverse fabric of India, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of this incredible nation. Nestled in the fertile plains of the Brahmaputra Valley, Lakhimpur district in Assam is a land where mighty rivers carve through verdant landscapes. The mighty Brahmaputra River, a lifeline of the region, flows majestically, shaping the land and its people. The Subansiri River also graces this district, adding to the network of waterways that irrigate the land and sustain life. Lakhimpur experiences a humid subtropical climate characterized by heavy monsoon rains and warm temperatures. The monsoon season, stretching from June to September, breathes life into the region, replenishing its rivers and nourishing its tea gardens, which are the heart and soul of Assam's economy. The air, heavy with moisture, carries the sweet aroma of tea leaves, a sensory experience unique to this region. Lakhimpur is not just a land of rivers and tea, it's also a haven for wildlife. The district is home to two significant wildlife sanctuaries, Bordoibam Bilmukh Wildlife Sanctuary and Poba Wildlife Sanctuary. Bordoibam Bilmukh, situated on the southern bank of the Brahmaputra, is a haven for the greater one-horned rhinoceros, a magnificent creature that symbolizes the rich biodiversity of Assam. Poba Wildlife Sanctuary, nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, is known for its diverse bird life. Birdwatchers flock here to catch a glimpse of migratory birds that find refuge in its wetlands. These sanctuaries are a testament to Lakhimpur's commitment to conservation, offering a glimpse into the region's rich natural heritage. Lakhimpur is a melting pot of cultures, a testament to Assam's diverse ethnicities. The indigenous Ahom people, known for their rich history and traditions, have left their mark on the cultural landscape of the region. The presence of namgas, traditional Assamese prayer halls, reflects the deep-rooted spirituality of the people. Hindu temples dot the landscape, showcasing the syncretic nature of faith in this region. The vibrant Bihu festival, celebrated with much fanfare, is a testament to the joyous spirit of the people and their deep connection to the land. Section 5. Lakhimpur Kheri, Uttar Pradesh, the land of sugarcane. Thousands of kilometers away from the tea gardens of Assam lies another Lakhimpur, this one in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh. This Lakhimpur, known as Lakhimpur Kheri, is a world apart from its Assamese counterpart, both in terms of geography and culture. Lakhimpur Kheri, as it is known, presents a stark contrast in landscape and culture. While Assam's Lakhimpur is enveloped in the lush greenery of tea gardens, Lakhimpur Kheri is adorned with endless fields of sugarcane. The cultural fabric here is woven with threads of traditional practices and modern agricultural techniques. Situated in the fertile Terai region, Lakhimpur Kheri is characterized by vast stretches of sugarcane fields, a stark contrast to the lush tea gardens of its namesake in Assam. The Terai region, known for its rich alluvial soil, provides the perfect conditions for sugarcane cultivation, making it a prominent agricultural hub. The district's flat terrain and rich alluvial soil make it ideal for agriculture. The soil here is not just fertile, but also well-drained, which is crucial for the growth of sugarcane. Farmers in Lakhimpur Kheri have mastered the art of sugarcane farming, utilizing both traditional knowledge and modern techniques to maximize yield. Sugarcane cultivation is the backbone of Lakhimpur Kheri's economy, earning it the moniker Sugar Bowl of Uttar Pradesh. The district is dotted with numerous sugar mills that process the harvested cane into sugar, jaggery, and other byproducts. The industry not only supports the local economy, but also provides employment to thousands of people. The air here carries the sweet aroma of sugarcane juice, a stark contrast to the tea-scented air of Assam's Lakhimpur. The local markets are bustling with vendors selling fresh sugarcane juice, a popular refreshment among the residents. This sweet nectar is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a symbol of the region's rich agricultural heritage. Section 6. Exploring Dudhwa National Park, a tiger haven. Lakhimpur Kheri is home to one of India's most renowned tiger reserves, the Dudhwa National Park. This sprawling sanctuary, a testament to India's conservation efforts, harbors a significant population of Bengal tigers, the apex predator of the Indian subcontinent. Dudhwa's diverse ecosystem, encompassing grasslands, wetlands and forests, provides a refuge for a wide variety of flora and fauna. The park's grasslands are home to herds of swamp deer, a sight that draws wildlife enthusiasts from far and wide. Dudhwa's wetlands attract a variety of migratory birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. A safari through Dudhwa is an immersive experience, offering a glimpse into the untamed beauty of the Terai region. Section 7. Beyond Dudhwa, unveiling Kheri's natural treasures. While Dudhwa National Park might be the crown jewel of Lakhimpur Kheri's natural heritage, the district has other hidden gems waiting to be explored. The Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary, located adjacent to Dudhwa, is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Known for its population of swamp deer, Kishanpur also harbors a healthy population of tigers and leopards. The sanctuary's wetlands attract a plethora of migratory birds, making it a haven for birdwatchers. The Soti River, flowing through Kheri, is another significant ecological hotspot. Its banks are home to a variety of birdlife, including the endangered gharial, a critically endangered crocodile species. Section 8. Lakhimpur Kheri, a cultural crossroads. Lakhimpur Kheri's location at the crossroads of Uttar Pradesh, Nepal and Uttarakhand has imbued it with a rich cultural tapestry. The district is home to a diverse population, each community contributing to its vibrant cultural heritage. The influence of Awadhi culture prevalent in the region is evident in the local language, music and cuisine. The district is dotted with ancient temples and historical monuments reflecting its rich past. The presence of numerous religious sites highlights the region's spiritual significance. Section 9. Conclusion. 2 states, 2 Lakhimpurs, 2 tales. Our journey through the 2 Lakhimpurs has revealed 2 distinct yet equally captivating tales of nature, culture and tradition. Each region, with its unique charm, offers a window into the diverse fabric of India, from the verdant landscapes of Assam to the fertile plains of Uttar Pradesh. The contrasts and similarities are striking. Assam's Lakhimpur, with its rolling tea gardens, mighty rivers and vibrant wildlife sanctuaries, offers a glimpse into the heart of India's northeast. The tea gardens stretch as far as the eye can see, painting the landscape in shades of green. The Brahmaputra River, with its powerful currents, is a lifeline for the region, supporting both agriculture and daily life. The wildlife sanctuaries, teeming with diverse flora and fauna, are a testament to the region's rich biodiversity. Lakhimpur Kheri, in the heart of Uttar Pradesh, showcases the bounty of the Gangetic Plains. The expansive sugarcane fields are a testament to the region's agricultural prowess. The fertile soil, nourished by the Ganges, supports a variety of crops, making it one of the most productive agricultural regions in India. The Gangetic Plains, with their vast stretches of farmland, are a sight to behold. Its sprawling sugarcane fields, the majestic Dudhwa National Park, and the rich cultural tapestry weave a story as old as time. Dudhwa National Park, with its dense forests and diverse wildlife, is a haven for nature enthusiasts. The cultural festivals, vibrant and colourful, reflect the region's deep-rooted traditions and customs. The traditional crafts, passed down through generations, are a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. The two Lakhimpurs, though separated by distance and distinct in their identities, are united by their shared name and their inherent Indianness. The map highlights the geographical distance, but the side-by-side images of landmarks from both regions show the shared spirit of resilience and pride. Each Lakhimpur, in its own way, contributes to the rich tapestry of India's cultural and natural heritage. They stand as a testament to the incredible diversity that defines this vast and vibrant nation. The diverse cultural celebrations, from traditional dances to local festivals, showcase the unity and diversity that is the hallmark of India. The montage of various Indian landscapes, from mountains to plains, deserts to forests, highlights the country's geographical diversity. Together, the two Lakhimpurs remind us of the beauty and complexity of India, a nation where every region has its own unique story to tell.